Seijan Bravorkar. Today I have discussed about the cybercrime. Cybercrime refers to criminal activities carried out using computers, networks, or digital devices. These crimes often involve the theft or misuse of data, financial fraud, extortion, or disruption of system. Then the types of cyber crimes. First one is the hacking, uh, in which to access the computer system or networks to steal, manipulate, or destroy the data. Common in which the common tools, malware, finishing, and the brute force attacks. Then the phishing and social engineering, in which the techniques to trick individual into revealing personal information such as the password or credit card details. They often involve fake emails, websites, or messages. Then identity tips, stealing someone's personal information to impersonate them for financial gain or other purpose. Fraud, in which includes online scams such as the credit card fraud, online fraud, or fraudulent investment. Example is unauthorized transaction using the stolen credit card data. Then the ransomware, in which it is a type of malware that the script victim's data and demands payment for a description. Often they spread through phishing emails or the malicious downloads. Then the cyber stalking and the harassment, in which using the network to stalk, intimidate, or harass individuals, includes doxing, that is the publishing private information about a person online. Then distributed delay of service, in which the attacks overwhelming a network or server with traffic to disrupt normal operation. Then often used against websites or online services. Intellectual property theft, unauthorized use or disruption of copyrights materials such as software, music, or movies. Then the child exploitation and abuse, online distribution or sharing of explicit material involving minors. Then grooming children through social media or messaging platforms. Then the cyber warfare, cyber attacks carried out by state sponsor actors to steal sensitive information or disrupt critical infrastructures. Then the cryptojacking, unauthorized use of computers processing power to mine cryptocurrency. Then online drug and weapon trafficking, using the dark web marketplace to buy or sell illegal drugs, weapons, or other methods used in cybercrime. Malware software designed to harm or exploit system. Example is viruses, worms, spyware, trojans. Then the finishing emails, in which the emails that appear legitimate but contain malicious link or attachments. Then the exploiting vulnerabilities, taking advantages of software or system weakness to gain unauthorized access. Then the botnet networks of infected devices used to carry out large-scale attacks. Then key logging recording, keystrokes to capture sensitive information like the passwords. Of cybercrime, in which the economic cost, billions of dollars lost annually due to the theft, frauds, and system downtime. Then the reputational damage, in which the organization lose trust after the data breaches and the or cyber attacks. Then national security threats, in which the critical infrastructures such as the power grids or financial system can be targeted. Then psychological impact, victim of online harassment, frauds, or identity theft may experience stress, anxiety, or the depression. Thank you.